everyone, welcome back to SaraitBeauty. First, I want to say I'm so sorry if you hear the rain in the background. It has been a rainy mess out here in Houston. And second of all, I sound like a man. I have this cold and it's just not very cute. But anyways, today is all about these eyes, how to achieve a really warm, smoky eye. This technique can also be used with other colors. If you like, you can stick more with cool tones if that's your jam, or you can do these warm tones. This technique can be used in any color family, but of course, warm tones are just my thing, and that's what I was going for today. So if you want to see how to do these eyes, then keep on watching. Alright guys, let's grab our first palette from Armed and Gorgeous by Morphe, going in with the GH36, which is a nice, fluffy blending brush. And I'm going to go in with the first color, Access, which is a nice, bright, light orange color. And this is going to be our transition color, which is going to go right above the crease. And I'm being pretty generous with it. Same brush, I'm going to go in with the next color, which is called Alert, which is going to start to just give a little bit more definition and more depth right in the crease area. And I'm concentrating this in the inner corner of the eye and also the outer corner. Alright guys, moving on to a different brush. This is the GH33. It's going to be on the list of must-haves. This brush I will be using in two ways. First, I'm going to use the side to really pack on the color. Really concentrate, giving a really nice even coat and making sure there's no blotchiness. Then I'm going to use the outer edges to really blend to make sure that there's a nice grading effect from one shadow to the next. Take your time just to make sure that you have a really nice even coat. Once you got the eyeshadow exactly what you want, I'm going to actually move on to an angle brush, which I got from just any art store. And I'm going to go in with the color Secret. And this is just going to help to take any little gaps that I might see from my lashes. And then I'm going to go back into that GH33 to really blend it out. So the darkest colors at the bottom, and then you can just see the nice gradient effect going from bottom to top. Let's go ahead and move on to the lower lash line, starting off with my favorite liner, Teddy by MAC. It's a nice red, warm brown. Let's repeat the same steps, going in first with Access, taking a small blending brush, and I'm really going to blend it out at the bottom. This is what I'm comfortable with. If you're not comfortable with it, you can always ease up on it. As you can tell, I'm going underneath that crease that I have on my lower lash line. Then switching to a smaller defined brush. This is another must-have brush. This is the GH43. It's really nice, flat blending brush. You could use this not only for the lower lash line, but you could also use it for eyeliner or even for your brows. And I'm going to go in first with Mugshot to really start to blend out. I'm not going to go all the way down to Access, but it's going to be right in between. It's like going to be like, you could call it your transition color. And then last but not least, going in with Secret. Blend that out with Teddy so you have a nice gradient effect. Grab some mascara, grab some lashes, and we had just created a really nice, simple, smoky eye. Hopefully you enjoyed this matte, smoky eyeshadow with these warm tones. If you like this, make sure to give a thumbs up, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, bye!